You know, when it's cold outside and everything feels a little heavier, the kitchen just feels like a good place to be. And it's my safe space. I didn't rush into today, mostly because the morning already did enough of that. My 6-year-old is off at school, and it's just me and the baby at home today, which means the day moves on baby time. Diaper changes, snacks, naps, and figuring out what's safe to climb right now. So when the house settles for a bit and my little one is content, I like to slow things down. Today that looks like baking a lemon loaf. Nothing fancy, just something warm for the family. I always start with the lemons. That smell instantly changes the mood in the kitchen. It's one of those little things that makes everything feel lighter even on cold days. It feels like a nice reset. And honestly, I don't even need that lemon loaf from that famous coffee shop anymore. This one made at home just hits different. As I mix everything together, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not measuring my worth with how pretty it looks. I'm just here, and that feels really good. There's something calming about repetition. Cracking eggs, pouring milk, folding everything together slowly. I mean, it's predictable, and predictability feels nice when you're sharing your day with your infant who's discovering the world one cabinet at a time. This kitchen has seen a lot. Quick breakfast before school drop-off, snacks made on repeat, meals heated while holding a baby on one hip. So days like this feel special, not because they're quiet forever, but because they remind me to pause. When the batter goes into the pan and the oven starts warming up, everything slows down just a bit more. My little one is nearby and the house is calm, and for a moment, nothing else needs my attention. I used to feel like I had to fill every second. Laundry, messages, planning the next thing. Like stillness meant I was falling behind. But I've learned that waiting can be peaceful too. While this bakes, I usually just stand here, not scrolling, not rushing, just listening and enjoying the quiet while it lasts. And honestly, it took some time for me to get there. And when the cake comes out, golden, smelling like lemon, it feels like a small win. Not a big one, just a mom win. The kind that says, I showed up today. Adding the glaze is my favorite part. Not because it needs to look perfect, because it never does, but because it feels like the final touch before it's ready to be shared. This is why I love cooking at home. Not for perfection, not for presentation, but for the feeling it creates. Comfort, calm, little moments that turn into memories without you even realizing it. If you're watching this and life feels loud right now, especially in the season of parenting, I hope this feels like a pause. A reminder that you are doing enough even on the messy days. There are seasons where everything feels full schedules, full hearts, full days. And instead of fighting that, I'm learning to meet it with a little more grace. To let things be imperfect and still feel good about what I've done. Moments like this remind me that slowing down doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes it's just choosing to stay in the kitchen a few minutes longer, letting something bake, letting myself breathe. So if today looks simple for you or unfinished, I hope you know that still counts. Showing up, doing what you can, and finding comfort where you are. that's enough. Some days the quiet doesn't last long, and nap ends early. Little feet appear in the doorway, and suddenly the moment shifts. But even then, I try to carry this calm with me into the rest of the day, however it unfolds. I remind myself that these small pauses matter, that even a few minutes of stillness can change the way the rest of the day feels. It doesn't erase the to-do list or the noise, but it softens it. And if you're still here with me, thank you for slowing down, for sharing this moment, for letting this kitchen be a quiet place for you too. I hope you leave feeling just a little lighter than when you arrived.